will see few colors, les couleurs, okay? So not all the colors because we're just starting, okay? So let's see what we've got. Blanc, blanche. Okay, so I wanted to put for each color the masculine form here and then the feminine form here. Okay, so here masculine, blanc, don't pronounce the final C, and then blanche. Okay, remember when you combine this CH, you get the sound sh, blanche. Okay, so blanc, blanche. Noir, noir. So it's quite funny because you will have to add this E at the end of noir for the feminine form, but then you don't pronounce it. Okay, so phonetically it is exactly the same. Noir, noir. Okay? Gris, don't pronounce the S, but then for the feminine form, grise. Remember? Grise. Alright? So when you add this E, basically it gives you the pronunciation or the possibility to pronounce the previous letter here. It's Z, grise. Alright? So gris, masculine form, feminine form, grise. Bleu, bleu. So same thing that we had for noir, you just add this E at the end, but then you don't pronounce it. Bleu, bleu. Alright? So let's see them one more time. Blanc, blanche. Noir, noir. Gris, grise. Bleu, bleu. Okay? So let's continue. Bleu foncé. Bleu foncé. Okay, so foncé, this adjective, well basically it will be like dark. Okay, bleu foncé. Bleu clair. So same thing here, this clair adjective is like light. Okay, bleu clair. Jaune. Okay, so it will be the same at the masculine and the feminine form. Jaune. Jaune. Rouge. So same thing here, same form for the masculine and the feminine. Rouge. Remember, G-E, je. Rouge. Vert. So masculine form, don't pronounce the final T. Vert. Feminine form, verte. So listen carefully. I don't say te, but it's t. Verte. Verte. Okay, so as usual, this final E only gives you the possibility to pronounce this t. Verte. Okay? Marron. Same thing for the masculine and the feminine form. Marron.